Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to migrate data from Oracle database to SQL Server database with the SQL Server Migration Assistant. So first step is that installing the SQL Server Migration Assistant for Oracle. So you can download the pack, SSMA pack from this below URL. So I'm opening this URL. Open your browser. Just open the URL. So you will get the SQL Server uh, Migration Assistant for Oracle. So that is the SSMA, and there is options to download. Click on download, and there is two files I need to download from there. This one and this. I'm not using this version of the OS, so we can leave this one. So both the select and click on the download. After clicking the download, you will get two files. So these are the two files you will get. So just install the file one by one. So I'm installing the extension pack first. So double click on that, just click on next, license agreement, next, next. So here choose the database instance for the below. So I'm using the Chirag Lappy primary DB. I'm using the primary DB. So click on the primary DB, click on next. Put the I'm using the SQL Server authentication. So put the username and password for this one primary database. So username, password, I'm providing that. So click on next. So there is a password for this one database master key extension pack. So I'm putting admin at the rate 123 123. Click on next. Click on next. So do you want to install the utilities database to another instance? No, I already used. Click on next. Exit. Now I'm going to install the SSMA SQL Server Migration Assistant for Oracle. So double click on that. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. So installation is completed. Now let me connect Oracle database with the SQL developer. So I have already connected. If you are not connected with the database, just assume that you are not connected with the database. You should know the username and password for the database. So I am using the Chirags. One database is there. I'm just giving the name for the connection, and here I will put the username and password. So my user is Chirag and password am same. Here I am using connection type is basic, as the multiple connection type is there. Host name is localhost, port is 1521, that is default port, my SID is ORCL. So now I'm going to test the connection is succeed. Click on connect. My database is connected. Let me check the tables. So I have two tables, one is department, one is employee. So open the department, check the data. There is three columns are there, three row are there, and just open the employee table. Also we have three. I have one view, that is the all employee. So all employees there. If you click on the data, you will get the data with the all employee. And similarly I have the store procedure is there, remove employee. Okay. So now I want to migrate this database, the Chirag database, to SQL Server. So I am opening the SQL Server Management Studio. Connection, I am just connected with the primary DB. Check the databases. So we don't have the any databases like the Chirag Chirag. So let's minimize this one. Now I'm going to open the SQL Server Migration Assistant. So there is a learnings are there. We learn the connect to the Oracle database, connect to the target SQL Server database, and map the SQL schema to migrate the SQL Server, convert the Oracle objects, load the converted objects, and finally migrate the loaded data to target SQL Server database. So these are the things we'll do. First, let me open the migration assistant, SQL Server Migration Assistant for Oracle. Click on that. So this is my SQL Server Migration Assistant for Oracle. Now go to the file, create a new project, Oracle to SQL Server. So my project name is Oracle to SQL Server. I am migrating to SQL Server 2022. So click on OK. Now there is options connect to the Oracle, connect to the SQL Server. So click on the Oracle. So there is a provider. I'm using the Oracle data provider for .NET and more the standard. Here my database is in local server point 1521 Oracle ORCL. Then my database username is Chirag and my password is also Chirag. Click on connect. So load all the user objects. So I need only the Chirag. So this database objects I will load and other I will leave that. I'm not using the other. So Chirag is there is a list of the objects. So click on OK. So it started loading, just see in bottom, loading common objects, loading packages. So let it load. So here you can see the output connected to the Oracle and connection string. This is the connection string for the connection the Oracle database. And similarly, we'll connect to the SQL Server. So wait for some time, let it complete. Meanwhile, we can discuss on that. So in the migrating data from Oracle to SQL Server, it's quite easy using the SQL Server Migration Assistant. So there is a two files we are downloaded for Migration Assistant, and learning is the connect to the Oracle database, connect to the target SQL Server, and map the Oracle schema which you want to migrate to SQL Server database. So just like we connected the Oracle database, first step is completed. Second, there is an option connect to the SQL Server. So we'll click on that and we'll connect to the my SQL Server target database. We are just migrating from the Oracle to SQL Server. So Oracle database connected, you can open and you can check the schema. So there is a Chirag, there is a function. We don't have function. There is a procedure. You can see the procedure. Same thing you can able to see. There is a table, two tables we have, and there is a one view. So we will migrate all the related procedure tables and views to the SQL Server database. So I connect to the SQL Server, primary DB, then targeted database. I have to create the target database. So I'm just creating the Chirag and password. click on connect. So it will ask you the database Chirag does not exist in the specific instance of the SQL Server. You want to create the database? Yes. If you already created the database, then it won't ask you the same question. So click on Chirag. Here click on Chirag. So now I want to create the report. So here you can check my schema is Chirag, and the targeting schema is also Chirags.Chirag. So I don't want, if you just leave the Chirag, then it will just create the Chirags.Chirag in the right side. So in the another video I just change the DBO, Chirags to DBO. So type of mapping, you can check all the things here, and the properties is also you can able to see the connection string, data connection string, same thing is coming on with the that. Now I am just running with the checking with the this one, create report. So click on the create report. So it will give you the create report. So here you can able to see 4 object conversions are there. So there is a 3 are 75% is correct, and 25% we have a warning. So just expand this one, go to the procedure. We are having error in procedure, SSMA migration warning message. So there is a number data type can be data loss, and there is a number data type is there. I'm changing this number data type to the float. So this is giving the warning, and in bottom number data type, here also we have a number data type dot number, and here is the float. So we don't have issue with the float and number. So let's see, it will migrate. And in the tables we have 100% object migration is there, we don't have any issue with that. You can check with the details also. There is a table, two tables, 100%, and columns we have all the details, you will get it there. And similarly in the views, click on the views. So views we don't have any issue, overview 100% automatically converted, and SQL also you can see there, and details you will be able to see this. So meanwhile we can check with the reports. Reports will tell you the all the conversions detail or procedure 100%, and these are the error, whatever the error you can get, you can see there warning and error. We don't have any error and don't have any info. So just close this one. Now I'm going to convert the schema. So click on Chirag and just convert the schema. So converting schema is done. Now I am going to right click on there and synchronize with the database. I am just sync with the database, whatever the schema is conversion is there, I want to sync and I want to input that. So meanwhile you can check with the database here, refresh, Chirag, tables. We don't have any tables now. Now I am going to synchronize this one. So right click on the your Chirag and synchronize with the database. So you can able to see all the things, you can able to see here. These are the things is going to be converted into the my database. So click on OK. So synchronization operation is completed. Now I am going to check into my database, refresh this one again, Chirag, open tables. You can able to see there is a two tables, whatever the table, departments and employer created there. Just right click on that and check the design. So department ID, department name, numeric, and this one varchar. So these are the tables it's created there. Now what I will do, now I am going to migrate the data. So just click on the migrate data, or you can right click on here also, you can able to click the migrate data, whatever you will click, it will work the same. So click on the migrate data. It will ask you the username and password again for the both the databases. This one for the Oracle, connected to the Oracle, and this one for the SQL Server. So click on connect. So conversion is started and 100% each conversion is done. If you want to save the report for the future future changing, then you can click on the save report, otherwise close it and go to your database, refresh it and check with the data. Whatever data we have, department, just click on department, right click on that, and you can able to see all the department ID and department name are there, same similar to the my SQL developer Oracle database is showing there. So just open the department and data, click on data. There is a three files are three rows are there. There are also three rows, similar employees there. Just right click on that and you can able to see the all the data is there. In views also you can check the views. So click on see. So my views is also working. So all the databases are working fine. So in this video we have learned how to migrate data from Oracle database to a SQL Server database with them using the SQL Server Migration Assistant. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.